The tempo of terrorism has stretched our police forces like never before. But as budgets are being cut across the public sector, there are accusations that the police service is increasingly taking on the workload of the health service too.
We are not paramedics. We are trained in first aid. We will do our best to preserve life, to protect the public, but we can't keep picking up the slack for other public services as well.
Calum Macleod is the new chair of the Police Federation, the body which represents 120,000 rank-and-file police officers in England and Wales. Just days into his new job, it is the issue of funding which concerns him most.
Policing is the only service that can't say no. We've got a duty to protect life. A lot of the slack that is given from other public services, policing are now having to deal with. We often have to be ambulances because the ambulances are no longer there. We often have to pick up for other parts of the public sector.
The Department of Health told 5 News that instances of police transporting patients to hospital are very rare, and that it's a decision by police officers at the scene, not ambulance trusts.
Obviously the NHS needs proper funding. Obviously social services needs proper funding. Local authorities need proper funding. Policing needs proper funding.
As Home Secretary, Theresa May had a rocky relationship with the Police Federation. Memorably heckled at their conference in 2012.
She was Home Secretary for years and years. Do you think she empathises with the problems that police officers face today?
We need to actually see the tangible evidence of the empathy. It's all good and well saying how good a job police officers do. When police officers are saying we need more resource, you should be listening to police officers.
Cutting crime while cutting costs remains the hardest issue for police forces. Julian Drucker, 5 News.